Alright, for the record, I've been walking around my house because it's 75 degrees, but it's cooler out. So I've been opening windows like the one behind me, and then turning some fans on to get the cool air in, to cool the house down. But then it's going to get a little cold tonight, so I'll close the windows and try to keep it around 65 or 70 for sleeping. But I've always wondered, like, why don't HVAC systems use the air outside? In fact, just looking outside now, refrigerators are crazy too, right? We have one part of our house we pay money to keep cool, but all around it we pay money to heat it up. And when it's winter time, why wouldn't we want to use the cold air from outside to help our refrigerator? Of course, it's complex. You have to put holes in houses. I understand why. But moving forward, I really think houses are going to respond to the environment and use cold air outside when you need cold air inside. And if you have hot air outside and you need it inside, yeah? Shaw's five birthday, so I'm gonna go back out. But anyway, that's one of my dreams, is using the existing temperature outside to help any changes inside. You shouldn't pay money, for instance, to cool your house when it's cold outside and you can't just open the windows enough. And underneath, about 2 feet under the ground, I think it's about 50 degrees, 55, 58, who knows? All the time. I think we're going to use that much more in the future. It's going to be very exciting.